Ever wondered how you can simulate real-world usage patterns on your server? Or how you can stress test your application under different load types? Well, JMeter, an open-source Java-based application, offers just the right tools to do that. JMeter is designed to test the performance of both static and dynamic resources. It can simulate a heavy load on a server, a group of servers, a network, or an object. The aim? To test its strength and analyze overall performance under various load types. Now, when it comes to real-time benchmark testing, it involves creating scenarios in JMeter that closely mimic real-world usage patterns. In essence, you create test plans that simulate user behavior and traffic patterns in real time. But how exactly do you do that? Here's how. First, you identify user scenarios. This means understanding how users interact with your system, the paths they take, the actions they perform, and the data they input. Next, create test cases. Each scenario becomes a test case in JMeter. This involves defining HTTP requests, adding assertions to validate responses, and setting up timers for realistic delays. Parameterization is another important step. If your users input different data, like searching for different items, use JMeter variables to simulate this variability. Then comes correlation. In real-time scenarios, sessions often have unique identifiers. Use JMeter's correlation capabilities to handle this, ensuring each virtual user has its session. Remember, real users don't click immediately after a page loads. They take some time. So use timers to mimic this behavior. This is what we call think time. For applications expected to have a large number of simultaneous users, consider setting up distributed testing with multiple JMeter instances. During the test, it's crucial to monitor your server's performance metrics. JMeter has various listeners and plugins to gather data. And after the test, JMeter provides various ways to view and analyze test results. You can generate reports, view live results, and export data for further analysis. So, whether you're testing an e-commerce website or a high-traffic blog, remember to tailor these scenarios to match your specific application's expected usage patterns and stress points. JMeter's flexibility allows for intricate testing setups, providing valuable insights into your system's performance under various conditions. In summary, real-time benchmark testing with JMeter involves identifying user scenarios, creating test cases, parameterizing inputs, correlating sessions, adding think time, setting up distributed testing, monitoring performance metrics, and analyzing test results. These steps, when executed right, can provide comprehensive insights into your system's performance and its ability to handle real-world usage patterns.